Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, I'm going to review the Cocosoul shampoo. I make a lot of skincare reviews and haircare reviews on my channel, so if you're interested, then please make sure that you're subscribed so you'll be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So this shampoo comes in two different quantity. The 30 ml one costs $199 and the 200 ml costs $799. This also comes in two different type of packaging. The 30 ml shampoo comes in a tube like this. Now the base of this tube is very different and the shape is so different. That is why it is very unstable and flimsy, and whenever you keep it on any surface, it just falls. So I don't like the packaging of this 30 ml tube that I got. Secondly, the packaging of the 200 ml one comes in a pump bottle like this. Talking about the texture of this shampoo, this comes in a light golden color and it has a very gel based texture. It lathers moderately. This is the complete ingredient list of this shampoo. Now if you try to find it on their website, it is not mentioned and they have only mentioned the key ingredients on their website. Talking about the claims of this shampoo, they say that it makes the hair soft and manageable, bouncy, balances scalp oil, unclogs hair follicles and strengthens roots, stimulates hair growth, reduces dandruff, treats inflamed scalp conditions, sulfate, paraben free, cruelty free and vegan formula. Now they have made a lot of claims and I found the claims listed in 3 different sections on their website. Now I want to share my overall review for this shampoo. It was okay as a cleanser. It did cleanse the hair well. It did not dry out the scalp, which they claim. Apart from this claim, I don't agree with any other claims that they have made. And yes, I'm not sure about the dandruff part because I don't have any dandruff, but I don't agree with other claims as they claim this product to heal some kind of scalp infections and all. So I don't think so that this is that gentle where it could treat and like be suitable for conditions of infections in the scalp. Other thing, it does work as a cleanser. It doesn't dry out the hair and it cleanses and removes all of the dirt and buildup from the hair fine. But I don't like the fragrance of the shampoo. It is too strong coconut oil fragrance. Same goes with their face wash. I think the overall formula is the same of all their products and I didn't like their face wash. I have tried the shower gel shampoo and face wash is something again I did not like at all. Shower gel was okay. So coming back to the shampoo, I did not like its strong fragrance at all. It cleansed the hair fine, but it also after 2 to 3 uses I noticed that it was giving a little bit of more extra hair fall whilst I was using this shampoo. So it does not work for me at all. The overall formulation of this product doesn't work, and I must say that it doesn't give any sort of benefits like treating any kind of scalp conditions. They also claim hair growth, but I noticed just the opposite. I noticed more hair fall rather than any kind of hair growth. So I do not recommend this shampoo at all. I think there are much better products at much better price available in the market, and this is not one of the best. This is not even like a basic nice cleanser, so I wouldn't recommend this at all. So that is all from my overall review of the Cocosoul shampoo. I hope you found this review to be useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed for more such hair care reviews. I make a lot of skincare as well on my channel, so make sure that you check those videos out. I'll leave them in the description box below for you. And that is all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.